Every day, clinics lose patients, not because they don't care, but because they are too busy to reply on time. A patient sends a message at 7 p.m., nobody replies until the next morning. By then, that patient has already booked somewhere else. I built something to fix that. Let me show you. This is ClinicFlow Agent, an autonomous AI communication system built for appointment-based clinics. It runs on Qwen Cloud, hosted on Alibaba Cloud, and it handles the entire patient communication workflow without anyone lifting a finger. First scenario, a patient has had back pain for 3 weeks. They want to know about appointments and costs. The agent reads the message and classifies it as medium urgency. The patient needs attention soon, but it is not an emergency. It then drafts a warm personalized reply, not a template, a real response that speaks directly to what this patient asks. Before anything gets sent, the agent stops. It presents the reply for human approval. One click to approve or reject. The clinic owner is always in control of the final decision. This is not just a chatbot. This is a production-ready agent designed for real businesses. Approved, reply sent instantly. And then, without anyone doing anything, the agent schedules a follow-up. If the patient does not respond within 24 hours, this message goes out automatically, warm, gentle, and personal. Take a look at the second scenario. A patient injured their knee playing football. They can barely walk and need to be seen today. High urgency, the agent detects this immediately. It adjusts the tone and content of the reply to match the situation. Faster, more empathetic, prioritizing the patient's immediate needs. Click approve, reply sent. Now let's look at the third scenario. This is a simple booking enquiry for a sports massage. Low urgency, the agent handles it quickly and professionally. Availability, pricing, booking link, everything the patient needs in one clean reply. 3 different messages, 3 different levels of urgency, 3 intelligent, personalized responses, all handled autonomously. From start to finish, 4 steps, 0 manual effort. The AI agent receives and classifies, generates personalized reply, human review checkpoint, send and schedule follow-up every time, any message, any clinic. The full source code is open source on GitHub. Link is in the description of this video. Built with Python, Flask, and the Qwen Cloud API running on Alibaba Cloud. This is my entry for the Qwen Cloud Global AI Hackathon, track 4, which is the Autopilot agent. Thank you to Alibaba Cloud and the Qwen Cloud team for making this possible and for giving builders like me the tool and the credit to build something real. I am blessing Fortune Kwomo, the lead strategist at 3F Digital, building practical AI for everyday businesses.